I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select a trigger CoBlocks form. Now, click on the Fetch button, then navigate to the CoBlocks form and fill it out to retrieve the data. After fetching the form, you need a unique key to define it. However, the CoBlock form doesn't provide the unique key. That's why I added a hidden field and gave its value as a unique key. Now fill out the form. Return to the integrations site to view the successfully fetched data. Now check all the fields under the object. Then choose the hidden field as a unique key. Set action. Now search and select Zoom. To get client ID and client secret, please click on Get Client ID and Client Secret. Choose App Type OAuth. Click Create. Turn off Publish this app to Zoom Marketplace. Give a name your app. Click Create. Now go to Scopes. Click on Add Scopes. Give these permissions. Now go to App Credentials. Copy Client ID and paste it here. Copy Client Secret and paste it here. Now copy Authorized Redirect URI and paste it here and here. Now go to Bit Integrations Dashboard and click on Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Now go to Zoom Account. Click on My Account. Go to Meetings. Click on Schedule a meeting. Give a topic name. Check the registration box. This is required. Click on Save. Now go to Bit Integrations Dashboard. Refresh all meeting. Select your meeting. Select an action. Map the respective fields. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then a user will create to Zoom. Click Next. Click Finish and Save. Let's submit a form. Submit it. Let's check our Zoom account. As you can see, a user has been created to Zoom. Thanks for watching.